the nutrients that low-income people in developing countries like and need. Somalia, Nigeria, and Malawi are few of the most less economically developed countries, LEDC, in the world, where there are a huge number of low SES, socio-economic status community, respondents. In Somalia, the food supply is based on cereals and milk, and vast majority of population rely on imports of cereals and sweeteners. Similarly, the Nigerian diet is mainly composed of cereals, millets, and starchy roots such as potatoes. The Malawian diet is also based on cereals and starchy roots. As you may have already guessed, people with low SES respondents do not consume vegetables and fruits as frequently as people with high SES respondents. This is because they are inclined to spend their limited budget on foods like cereals, which has high carbohydrates. These carbohydrate-rich foods gives feeling of being fullness quickly but temporarily and do not include essential vitamins. Because they do not consume fruits and vegetables as frequently, the dietary energy supply is unbalanced and insufficient to meet the daily nutrition and energy requirements. As a result, they do not obtain sufficient amount of vitamins A, C, D, E and B12, iron, calcium, beta-carotene, potassium, dietary fiber, and magnesium. Vitamin deficiency can cause depression, bone pain, bone weakness, digestive tract problems, and many other health risks. Many people in developing countries like Somalia, Nigeria, and Malawi are starving and suffering from malnutrition. To support them, Vitamins 3 is sending vitamins to some of the developing countries because our motto is to create a better tomorrow with vitamins. When you reorder vitamin packs from us after your first trial, a portion of the profits will be donated to our partnered charities. Subscribe Vitamins 3 and step forward in enabling these innocent people to survive.